Imagine this glass piece is a great idea. You want to tell people about it. It may be your friends, your family members, your colleagues, or even you want to demonstrate this as a skill in your interview. You want them to believe in this idea as much as you do. Now, one way to do is just to start talking about it. You maybe fumble a little, maybe you will speak too fast, maybe you will try to get on to the point as much as possible. Maybe you will over-explain things and then hope that people will believe in this idea as much as you do. The second way is that when you try to get clear on what you want to say and then use your body language, voice modulation, and strategies to better communicate. You may directly look into their eyes and get some attention. Or maybe you will build a story around this object and try to get them emotionally connected with your idea. So now the question is, how can you become this second person and use all of these strategies, communication skills, and voice modulation to better communicate with your audience? Can you really become a good communicator and master the skills of communication? Most people think that communication is just about speaking English, but it is more than that. When you understand communication, it is more on the structure and it starts from your brain. It starts when you really start thinking in a strategic manner and try to process your thoughts in a way that make more sense to your audience. If you are someone who wants to improve their communication, be confident at public speaking, and want to clear their thoughts when they are speaking, this course is such a treat for you. Hi, my name is Abhishek and I'm a learning and development coach. I help people to get better at communications and personalities, and I have helped over 200 people to get better at interview skills and master the skills of communication. This entire course has been designed with my own experience working with professionals on one-on-one training and identifying the gaps that is required to make that automation thought process that is required for you to be an effective communicator. Different modules that we have created in this course have different strategies, techniques, and methods that will help you to better understand the communication structure. This entire approach will help you to get better how to organize your thoughts and share your idea like a pro. So if you are someone who wants to improve their communication, this is the time now.